there, clowns!
What? Vegeta?
You ladies call that lifting? Serious lift! The hell is this?
I'm not sure, Vegeta.
I'm expecting some giant guy or something on the screen.
You're joking, right? You're challenging me, the Prince of all Saiyans, with a piece of paper? This is an insult.
Calm down, Vegeta. I'm sure there's something about this picture. I mean, he could barely carry it this far.
Oh, shut up, clown! How heavy could a picture be?
We never know if we don't try.
Okay, I mean, you know what? Take them both.
Stay away, clown! Let me show you how it's done!
Be careful, Vegeta. It's so much heavier than it looks.
Yeah, we'll see about that! My back! Ah,
Yep, you're banned.
my back!
Have a good night.
I told you, Vegeta.
My back!
Look at this nerd! Squire! I didn't eat the camera!